Hello everyone and welcome to Wokkolandia. Today I start something different than the same Master of the Universe and I take a look this headless Ace Duck from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And like always I try to give him a brand new style, and for do that I use this Donald Duck head find literally in the trash. I don't know where it's come from, but it fits perfectly. A simple and easy way for attach the head on the torso is use a screw. I cut the head of the screw and insert the lower part on the Donald Duck head. And after that I use super glue for block the screw inside. Okay, for who doesn't know, Ace Duck is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle character, and he is the Mickey's favorite superhero. On TV, he never appeared in the real world of the cartoon series. Okay, now it's time to think about the new character. He isn't Donald Duck, he is Paterinik in Italy, a Duck Avenger maybe abroad, but when I was a child, PK New Adventure was the best. Because of that, I keep the head and repaint the body with the PK color. I use like always some Fimo for make the belt buckle, and after a drop of glue and some paint the custom is finished. Like always, if you have some question, comment down below, and remember, like, share and subscribe really help me on the channel, and ring the bell for not miss the next video. Also, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook.